In this segment we gonna see the code for the first project that we gonna make. So pause the video and try it yourself, see if you have any doubts, or follow along and code along with it. This is the model of the web page, and when Visit My Channel is clicked, My Channel, that is L-Coder, should appear. Here, I have created a document named project.html. Change the title name to My Channel. Open the HTML document with Live Server to web page. Next is to change the icon of the web page. Here I have already downloaded and used My Channel's logo. You can use what you have. Next is the content inside the body. For the heading portion, it is in center, so all the heading elements should be inside the center tag. First element is H1 saying welcome to the channel. Next is image of My Channel's logo, and corrected the size of it as I want. 200 pixel is good enough, it seems. Then a break tag is used. At last, anchor tag is used. First, get the hyperlink of My Channel and paste it in href of anchor tag. Here I have given blank in target so it opens in new tab. And then given text inside the anchor tag as Visit My Channel. So whenever I click on it, it opens My Channel main page in new tab. To differentiate the heading from content, I have used HR tag. So it is well distinguished. Let's open the already done project to see how the contents are aligned. First tag inside the content section is paragraph tag. Text inside paragraph tag is, Hello, I am L-Coder, I am web development enthusiast who loves coding and building creative websites. There is a little gap, so a break tag is used. Then again paragraph tag is used. Here the text is. Here is a little about my hobbies. Then again for a gap another break tag is used. For the next part, we can use for paragraph tags. But the easiest way is to use pre-formatted tag. Enter the text inside it. Since it's not aligned, some changes can be done. To give a gap another break tag is used. The context section is finished, so to end this section and differentiate, HR tag is used. Last section of this web page is the footer part. Since context inside the footer section are in the middle, center tag is used. Inside this, two paragraph tags are used. In first paragraph tag, text says thanks for visiting my channel. And the second paragraph tag, Text says hope to connect with you soon. Since the image is a bit large, I have made it to 100 pixels. Now, this is a new topic that can be done with CSS connected to this document. But as of now, take it as a bonus tip. This is to change the background color of the web page. We will learn this later. Here I want to change the background color of the whole web page. So in the body tag, type style, inside it type background color, then choose the color. Easy as that. Here I have chosen red. Yep, that's it. The first project has completed. Well done.